Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldolf, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality food from my home to yours. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to build you the best amazing mesquite turkey club sandwich today in Veldolf kitchen. And you will need for this sandwich is some Italian bread, if you want to do it the way Veldolf do it. Okay? You're going to need some turkey, mesquite turkey, some cured ham. That's these right here. So this the mesquite part of it right here. And this is cured ham. You will also need some bacon. You need some pepper jack cheese. You need some cheddar cheese. And you will need some lettuce, followed by some tomato and some Hellmann's mayonnaise, or whichever mayonnaise you decide to go with, Miracle Whip or whatever kind you want to go with. If you want mustard and onions and all that stuff, you can put that stuff on there too. But today I'm not doing all of that, but we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started with my bread. This is Italian bread, just in case you didn't hear it the first time. And while you guys watching this video, please do not skip the video. I swear to you, I'm not just trying to get some video time, because sometime I may do something different. Okay, you can rewind it all you want to. It may be something that you may miss. And if you guys new here, consider subscribing to the channel, because I'll be putting up 3 recipes every week. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoy these meals, and please make them. So for this, we're gonna be needing like 3 breads. Okay, 3 slices of bread. That's what we're gonna be using. I'm gonna go ahead and toast these breads up, and I'll come back and we'll start building. How about that? Let's get it. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, I baked up my bread, toasted it. There's the bread. We're gonna go ahead and start building. So I didn't toast the other side because I toasted the middle twice. See, on each side, and the top I didn't do. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this over there. We're gonna grab us some mail. Just take us some mail, just like so. This is Hellmann's. You can use Miracle Whip if you want. Slightly with the mail. Okay. Then we're gonna go in with some ham. Here's the ham. I'm always grabbing the turkey. Okay. So we're gonna do like 4 slices of these. I don't know why, it just seems like it tastes better when I fold it like that. Okay, 4 slices of them. Go ahead and try to fold this one a little bit if I can. Alright. You can do it however you want to do yours, it just seems like it tastes a little bit better like that. Go with the mesquite turkey. Fold it. You can come across like this if you want to. That's how I'm going to do mine. Trust me, try it. I mean, I'm telling you, when you do it different ways like this, it makes the sandwich taste totally different. Alright, so we're going to put some lettuce on this part. We'll tear a piece of this off. Not a whole bunch of lettuce, just a little lettuce right there. Take us some mayo, put it across there. just like that. Okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and put some cheese on that. You can go like that. I told you I'm different. I'm sorry. I'm different. Love my presentation. I don't know. This is just how I eat. I'm sorry. So put some mayo on top of this one. Just like that. Okay. Now we're gonna go in on our bacon. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands because I'm tired of this mayonnaise on my hands. So help you keep your paper towel or a towel handy. I have mine right here. Go ahead and keep mine over here so I can make sure my hands stay clean. I don't like having stuff all on my hands. So tear your bacon in half, or you can put it on there whole. So you're getting 2 pieces. Pretty much like making a BLT, huh? Alright, we're gonna go with our other lettuce. Put it on there like that. You can put 1 or 2 tomatoes on there if you want. In this case, on this particular one, I'm going to put 1 because it's big. Okay? Then, we take our cheese, pepper jack. You can lay that on there. Take the paper off. Take us some mayo. Spread it on there. As much as you want on yours. I'm not gonna get carried away with mine. Okay? And we put this on top. Like that. Give it a smash. Just like that. Take these picks, or you can use some toothpicks. Make sure they're long enough. And go like this to it. Alright. Like this one. Come down. Did I use that one already? I think I did. We'll go with the green one. Take the green one. Yeah, go right here. Right there. And get a light red one, a pink one, or whatever color that one is. Go down like that. Get us a knife. This is what you want to do. You gotta do it like this. You're gonna cut it like this, okay? Hold down on it. Corner to corner. Flip it this way. Alright? Hold down on it. Corner to corner. There you have it. Turkey club. Just like so. Alright. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to put this to the side. Wash my hands off. Grab me a plate. Wipe it down. I don't want my bread soggy. And I'm going to sit these over there. Okay, we'll do one more for you guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and just start putting them together. Alright. So here's our bread. You do it however you want to do it. Take your mayo, much as you want. Just like that. Go in with our ham. You can throw it on there however you want to now. I'm just telling you, it tastes totally different when you do it like this. This part don't want to act right, so you just flip it this way. All right there. Okay guys, just to let you know, because I might be putting this one up today because I'm going to Carbondale. My sister graduating today. Hi Sahima, she getting her master, and I'm so proud of her doing that. So I said, yeah, I'm gonna drive down there to Carbondale, Illinois, to go check out my baby sister doing her thing. So that's something to be proud of. I'm like that, where it's like 22 of us on my father's side. So, and that I know of, I'm the oldest. If you out there, Chevelle and Demetrius, our daddy was Lavelle Gray. We still not yet found them, so that's why I'm just giving a shout out to them. So, but I'm the oldest. I think they had a mother. They were adopted out by well, DCFS or whatever they was then. They're a little older than me. So we're gonna put this on top after we get some lettuce. Okay, we put a little lettuce on there like that. Get us some cheese. Put it on there like so. Take this part, flip it over there. Get us some more mayo. Their mother name was Lady Williams that I know of. That's what I heard of. Lady Williams. They were born in Chicago, Illinois. That's all I know pretty much. And been trying to reach them. I don't know where they at. I don't know what they doing, but we concerned. We love you. Never met them a day in my life. So if you're out there and you just happen to come across this video, please get in touch with me. Hit me up on my comment and let me know how you guys doing. And can we link up? It's Chevelle and Demetrius. I don't know their last name, but I know that their mother, I think it was Williams. We only know about Lady Williams or whatever. So it's confusing. This one is another big one, so I'm going to put tomato on it. And that's all I have to say about that, because it's emotional. So we've been trying to find them for a long time, but I'm going to go ahead and continue doing this and stop wasting you guys' time. I just wanted to give a shout out. Okay? Then we put this on top, just like so. Give it a smash. Alright? Take us some picks. Like that. Like that. Like that. All the way down. Okay? And like that. We're going to slice corner to corner. Okay guys, I'm done. Here you go. The best amazing mesquite turkey club sandwich. Hope you guys like this video. Please give me a like, a share, and a subscribe to this channel. Veldog, signing out.